10 smart kitchen gadgets that are going viral on Amazon 2025. The future of cooking is here, and it's smarter than ever. From self-stirring pots to app-controlled appliances, the kitchen is becoming a hotbed for innovation. In 2025, Amazon is flooded with high-tech gadgets that are not only time-saving but also seriously fun to use. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just trying to keep your takeout habit in check, these 10 smart kitchen gadgets going viral on Amazon are designed to make your culinary life easier, faster, and a lot cooler. Let's dive into the tools that everyone's adding to their cart this year. Trio ChefMaker Combi Fryer. This futuristic kitchen powerhouse blends air frying, steaming, and broiling into one compact appliance that's making waves on Amazon for its versatility. With precise temperature control and auto-adjusting cook cycles, it turns frozen meals into gourmet-quality dishes with barely any prep. It's like having a tiny sous chef who never complains or burns the chicken. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and presets save tons of time for busy parents and students. Unlike traditional fryers, it adds moisture while crisping, so your food is juicy inside and golden outside. Some users say reduce their takeout orders by half. Now that's money saved and waistline approved. Aguri Kitchen Smart Cooker. The Aguri Smart Cooker is the Instant Pot's sleeker, smarter cousin, combining pressure cooking, rice making, sautéing, and slow cooking into a single voice-controlled device. Alexa compatibility lets you control it remotely or start dinner from the couch. Just don't let it overhear your pizza cravings. Recipes auto-adjust based on your selected ingredient weight and cooking style, which is magic for people who hate guessing. It even tells you what's happening inside the pot with real-time updates. Cleanup is simple thanks to the non-stick interior and detachable inner pot. Some find the app slightly buggy, so keep it updated for smoother functionality. Innova Culinary Precision Cooker 3.0. SUSBOD sounds fancy, but the Innova 3.0 makes it surprisingly foolproof and futuristic with Wi-Fi connectivity and precise temperature accuracy. You clip it to any pot, set the temp in the app, and let your meat, fish, or eggs cook to flawless doneness without guesswork. The result? Steakhouse-level results from your kitchen counter without hovering over a pan. Even better, it keeps food warm for hours. Great if your dinner schedule is unpredictable. The new model heats faster and runs quieter than older versions, making it perfect for apartment dwellers. Vitamix Ascent Series Blender. The Vitamix Ascent isn't just a blender. It's a high-powered culinary beast that can crush ice, curry soups, churn nut butters, and even warm sauces, all with self-detecting smart containers. Its 2.2 horsepower motor is surprisingly quiet for something that could pulverize an iPhone. Please don't try. Smart Tech adjusts blending speed and duration based on container size and food type, which makes smoothies ultra-smooth and soups consistently creamy. You can even connect it to the Vitamix app for customized recipes and meal tracking. The downside? It's pricey, but many say it's the last blender you'll ever buy. The sleek touchscreen interface feels premium, and cleanup is fast thanks to self-cleaning mode. Perfect Bake Pro Scale. For the detail-obsessed home baker, the Perfect Bake Pro is a digital scale meets recipe hub that ensures precision every time. It guides you through recipes with real-time weight tracking. Just pour until the app tells you to stop. This means no more guesswork with cups or tablespoons and far fewer baking disasters. Whether you're making macarons or muffins, it adjusts portions automatically if you change your serving size. The included color-coded bowls and smart scale make even beginners feel like pastry chefs. It's not completely hands-free, you'll still do the stirring, but the measurements are spot on. The mobile app contains hundreds of curated recipes, and you can save custom ones too. If you've ever ruined cookies by miscounting scoops, this is your redemption gadget. Accuracy has never tasted so sweet. Meter Block Wireless Meat Thermometer. Say goodbye to poking and overcooking. This wireless thermometer system gives you total control over meat, fish, or even baked dishes with multiple probes and a smart charging dock. Unlike traditional thermometers, it uses dual sensors to measure both internal and ambient temperatures for perfect doneness. The Meter app walks you through each step, whether you're grilling ribs or roasting turkey. It's especially helpful for multi-meat dinners. Each probe can track a different cut at the same time. A word of caution: make sure the Wi-Fi range reaches your kitchen or backyard. The wood block base is both a charger and a sleek counter display. Great for hosts who don't want to babysit the oven during parties. Once you use Meter, you'll trust it more than your own instincts. Yes, even on Thanksgiving. Wibberman Ice Tray Set. This simple yet brilliant ice tray set is going viral for one reason. It makes perfectly shaped ice balls and cubes that pop out effortlessly. Say goodbye to banging plastic trays on countertops or getting half-melted chunks. Whipperman uses flexible silicone and an airtight lid system to keep water from spilling and your freezer from becoming a snowstorm. It's perfect for cocktail lovers, iced coffee addicts, or kids who like fun-shaped juice cubes. Each tray is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, so cleaning is a breeze. Just note, they take a bit longer to freeze due to shape and size. The set includes multiple tray styles for whatever drink vibe you're going for. If you've ever battled stubborn ice before a party, this gadget is your new freezer MVP. Avent Immersion Blender. When countertop blenders are too bulky and hand mixing is a chore, the Avent Immersion Blender swoops in to save your sauces, soups, and smoothies with power and precision. Its stainless steel shaft and sharp blade blend hot or cold ingredients directly in the pot. No need to transfer and risk spills. With variable speed control in the turbo mode, it handles everything from whipped cream to baby food. The detachable shaft is dishwasher safe, and it comes with a measuring cup and blending beaker. For small kitchens, this stick blender is a major space saver. Be cautious with blade cleanup, it's sharp enough to surprise. Ideal for weeknight meal preppers or smoothie in a mug enthusiasts. Fast, lightweight, and versatile, it's the handheld hero your kitchen deserves. Freshmich Food Storage Containers. These aren't your grandma's Tupperware. Freshmich containers feature built-in vents, crisping trays, and leak-proof lids to keep produce fresher and leftovers leak-free. They're perfect for meal preppers, lunch packers, or anyone tired of soggy salads and leaky bags. The adjustable airflow vents help prevent moisture buildup, extending the life of fruits and veggies by days. BPA-free and stackable. They slide easily into fridges and lunch totes. While they're microwave-safe, make sure to open the vent first, unless you like surprise steam burns. Clear design makes it easy to see what's inside without label peeling. For healthier eating, these containers make organization and freshness almost foolproof. Bonus points for making your fridge look like a meal prep influencer's. Whiskware Pancake Dispenser. This smartly designed bottle lets you mix, store, and neatly dispense pancake or waffle batter with zero mess and all the satisfaction. Add ingredients, shake vigorously, and pour. No bowls or whisks needed. Great for families or brunch lovers who want evenly shaped pancakes without batter splatter. It's also fantastic for mini cupcakes or crepes thanks to its precise nozzle and measurement markings. The silicone tip is safe on non-stick pans and provides good control for designs and shapes. Dishwasher's safe and easy to clean, though the narrow bottleneck means a brush is helpful. Shake well, or your last pancake might be pure flour. A fun, functional upgrade to a weekend staple, it brings joy and neatness to breakfast. Tried any of these yourself? Got a favorite we missed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this list helpful or just love cool kitchen tech, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gadget update. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!